How to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username without having to wait a year. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Tap on settings on your top right. Now under support, tap on I need help. Under here, tap on My account is compromised. Now at this page, scroll below and simply type in your username. Once done, type in the email address and phone number that is associated with your Snapchat account. And on the description, you can write that while changing your username, you had a typo and now you would like to fix it. Once done, tap on to submit. And all you have to do is wait for the Snapchat team to contact you back. And this is how you will be able to solve your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.